Morning, dear kids. Today I'm taking your chapter 23, exercise 23a, problem number 10. In problem number 10, it is said if root 3 value is given to you 1.732, then you have to find correct to two decimal places the value of each of the following. Now, what is each of the following? There's missing. It's first sin 60. sin 60 की वैल्यू डालनी है. sin 60 की वैल्यू जैसे मैंने आपको टेबल दी है, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में टेबल है, एंड बाय नाउ यू शुड बी बाय हार्टन विद दैट टेबल दैट sin 60 की क्या वैल्यू है. sin 60 की वैल्यू है √3/2. यहाँ पे आपका आंसर यहीं पे फिनिश नहीं होता है. √3 की वैल्यू आपको 1.732 डालनी है, उसको 2 से डिवाइड करना है, and you will get your answer 0.866. okay, but it is said you have to keep it to two decimal place, so I'll prefer to round up the decimal and it will be 0.87. clear? Your next of this is you have to find the value of 2 upon next you have to find 2 upon 10 30. Again, you have to go back to your tables, find the value of 10 30 from your table. It is 1 upon √3. Okay, this 1 upon √3, when it will go up, it will be 2 into √3/1. That is 2√3. Here also, you have to put the value of √3 as 1.732 and get your answer. Yes? In problem number 11, we have evaluate cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a when a is 15 degree. So you have to put the value of a as 15 degree. So 3 into 15, 3a is 3 into 15. Then 2 cos 4a is 4 into 15 upon sin 3a. So sin 3 into 15 plus 2 sin 4a. So sin 4 into 15. Got my point? What I have done in my first step? I have just included 15 degree instead of a. Once I do that, I'll get cos 45 minus 2 cos 60 upon sin 45 plus 2 sin 60. Now you have to just put in the values here. Cos 45 is 1 upon √2 minus 2 into cos 60 is 1 upon 2 upon sin 45 is 1 upon √2 plus 2 into sin 60 is √3/2. Yes, my dear kids, ये आप eliminate कर सकते हैं. Okay, so you will get 1 upon √2 minus 1 upon 1 upon √2 plus √3. Now you have to take LCM, my dear kids. Shall I erase this part? So now you have to take LCM of this. So it will be 1 minus √2 upon √2, and down also you have to take LCM of this. So that will be 1 plus this is √2 here. I'm sorry, √2 into √3 upon √2. Now my dear kids, ये √2 और ये √2 आपका कट हो जाता है. So your answer is 1 minus √2 upon 1 plus √3 into √2 is √6. That's your answer. Clear? Similarly, you have second, you have to just put the value of b here as 20, here as 20. सब जगह जहाँ पे भी b है आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 20 के साथ, and then you have to put in the values from your table and find the answer. Next, I have given that a is equal to 60. So I am solving your first part. Let's see what we can do. A sin a plus b. So a is 60. So I'll write 60 plus 30. B is 30. So I'll write 30. And that should be equal to. So this is proving again. So I'll solve left hand side first. So sin 60 plus 30 is sin 90. And value of sin 90, my dear kids, is 1. So on the left hand side of your first problem, I got 1 as the answer. I have to also solve right hand side, and from there I have to find whether I am getting right hand side also 1. And if I get 1, then I can write hence proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved the equation. Clear? But we have to find out. So it is sin A on the right hand side. Sin A, that is sin 60, into cos B, that is cos 30, plus cos A, that is cos 60, into sin B, that is sin 30. Now my dear kids, you have the value of sin 60 from your table, root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 upon 2, plus cos 60 is half, and sin 30 is also half. So when you multiply this, you will get root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 2 into 2, that is 4, 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So you will get 4 upon 4, that is 1. So you got left hand side also 1 and right hand side also 1. Hence you can write it is proved. Okay. Shall I take the fourth one and second and third? Can you do it on your own? Let's start fourth. And fourth says tan A minus B. What is A? 60. What is B? 30. So this is I am solving your left hand side. So I will write it here left hand side. So that means 60 minus 30. You have to find tan 30. Tan 30 value, my dear kids, it is 1 upon root 3. So on the left hand side, you have got answer as 1 upon root 3. Let's check with our right hand side. That is tan A, matlab tan 60 minus tan B, that is tan 30 upon 1 plus tan A, that is 1 plus tan 60 into tan B, that is tan 30. Yes, you have to put in the value of tan 60, that is root 3, minus tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3, upon 1 plus tan 60, that is root 3, into tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. रूट थ्री आप कट कर दो तो ऊपर आएगा रूट थ्री माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 3, नीचे आएगा 2. Am I correct with this? Now take the LCM, my dear kids. Numerator का it will be root 3 into root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon 2. Okay, I am doing it here, and that will be 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon 2. That will be 2 upon root 3 upon 2. ये 2 कट हो गया. So the answer is 1 upon root 3. That is the answer of your left hand side also. So this is 1 upon root 3. This is 1 upon root 3. You can write hence proved. Next I am taking your problem number 3, which has A value A is equal to B is equal to 45. That means value of A is 45, B is also 45. You have to show that. Show that means again you have left hand side and right hand side. Let's start with left hand side. Sin A minus B, that is 45 minus 45. That is sin 0, and sin 0 is 0. So on my left hand side I got 0 as my value. Let's check for right hand side. In your right hand side you have sin A, that means 45, cos B, that means cos 45, minus cos A, that is cos 45, into sin B, that is sin 45. Now put in the values of sin A, that is 1 upon root 2, and cos 40, sin 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, minus cos 45 1 upon root 2, and sin 45 1 upon root 2. So you'll get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 0. Yes, my dear kids, second will be your homework. Next we have question number 4. In that I'll be taking your first problem, and it goes A is 30, and you have to again prove, that means your left hand side should be equal to the big right hand side. I am first solving left hand side, that is sin 3a. A की value 30 है, so I'll put 3 into 30, that is sin 90, and sin 90 value is 1. Now I'll prove left hand side. Left hand side you have 4 sin A, that is 4 sin 30. Then sin bracket 60 minus A, that is 60 minus 30. Again sin 60 plus A, that is 60 plus 30. So that will be 4 sin 30 value. You know very well sin 30 is half, into sin 60 minus 30, that is sin 30. So again you have to put half for sin 30. Then sin 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is 90, and sin 90 is 1. Yes, you can reduce, and your answer is 1 on your left hand side and on your right hand side. Okay, on both the sides you have 1 as the value, so you can write hence proved. I'll take up your fifth problem. Let's take with fifth, and it has on the left hand side 1 plus sine 2a plus cos 2a upon sine 2a, sine a plus cos a cos a. 1 plus sine 2a, that means sine 2 into 30 plus cos 2a, cos 2 into 30 upon sine a, that is sine 30, plus cos a, that is cos 30. So that will be 1 plus sine 60 plus cos 60 upon sine 30 plus cos 30. Now you have to put in the values. 1 plus sine 30. So sine 30 value is root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60, that is half, upon sine 30, that is half, plus cos 30, that is root 3 upon 2. Yes dear, you have to take the LCM. Shall I erase this part? So it will be on the numerator you have this. So I am taking the LCM. That will be 2 plus root 3 plus 1 upon 2. And down I am also taking this. So that will be 1 plus root 3 upon 2. 2 आप कट कर सकते हो. This will be 3 plus root 3 towards your numerator and 1 plus root 3 towards your denominator. Got my point clear? Now if you want, you can keep it this as it is, or you can rationalize. Once you rationalize, that means you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus root 3. So if I want to rationalize, I'll just rationalize and show you. My answer is 3 plus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3, and I'll rationalize. So it will be 1 minus root 3. ऊपर भी 1 minus root 3 के साथ आपको multiply करना है. So down you will get 1 minus 3, and up you will get, if you want you can multiply. So you have root 3, you can take in common. इसको पूरे ब्रैकेट को अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो you will get, I'll directly write what you will get. You have to solve and see. So it will be, I think I have made mistake somewhere down also. 1 minus root 3 square. So I have 1 plus root 3 here. And above I have 2. Shall we keep answer like this? No, let me just do it. Okay, 1 plus root 3, 1 minus root 3, that is 1 square, minus root 3 square, that is 3. So down you have 1 minus 3. And above you have 3 bracket 1 minus root 3 plus root 3 bracket 1 minus root 3. So that will be 3 minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 minus 3. तो ये plus 3 minus 3 आपका यहाँ पे हो गया. Down you have 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So you got answer as, अगर इसमें से मैं root 3 कॉमन निकाल रही हूँ तो I will have inside root 3 plus 1, and down I have minus 2. I think I am making some mistake, because on my right hand side I have 2 cos a. तो 2 cos a की वैल्यू तो सिर्फ 2 into root 3 upon 2, मतलब root 3 आने वाली है. So on my left hand side also I should get root 3. I have reached till here. Wait just 1 minute. Till here is clear. मेरे ख्याल से रैशनलाइजिंग इज गोइंग अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव, और what I can do is 3 and this 1 plus √3. अच्छा, इसको मैंने अगर ऐसे लिखा √3 इंटू √3, सो इस इक्वेशन में से मैं √3 कॉमन निकाल दूँ तो अंदर विल बी √3 प्लस 1 एंड डाउन विल बी √3 प्लस 1. तो ये कट हो गया. सो आंसर इज √3. रैशनलाइज नहीं करो तो भी आ जाएगा. सो आई गॉट √3 ऑन माई लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. दिस वॉज वॉट आई वॉज सॉल्विंग वॉज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. Now I want on the right hand side 2 cos A. 2 cos A. तो 2 cos A मतलब 2 इंटू cos 30. cos 30 की वैल्यू हम लोग को पता है, दैट इज़ √3 अपॉन 2. 2 कट कर दो. सो योर आंसर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड इज ऑल्सो √3. सो यू गॉट सेम आंसर. परफेक्ट. नाउ दिस √3 तो रैशनलाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. डायरेक्ट अगर आप कॉमन निकालेंगे तो ऊपर और नीचे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कट हो जा रहा है. Okay, next is I'll take your sixth problem, that is this. On your left hand side you have 4 cos A means cos 30, then you have multiplied cos 60 minus A, that is 60 minus 30, into cos 60 plus A, that is 60 plus 30. So that will be 4 cos 30 into cos 30 into cos 90, and cos 30 is √3 upon 2, again √3 upon 2, and cos 90 is 0. 0 के साथ आप कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, your final answer will be 0. So left hand side I got answer as 0. Let me check for right hand side. On my right hand side I have cos 3A. Cos 3A. So that will be cos 3 into 30. That is cos 90, and the value of cos 90 is 0. So I got left hand side and right hand side equal. So we can write hence proved. Whichever problems I have left in between, those you have to solve and just let me know if you could do it or not. Okay, God bless.